everyone! Welcome to math class! My name is Matthew the Math Cat, and I'm learning special math skills. I'm learning all about bar models, and this week I'm learning how to solve multiplication questions with bar models. Do you like multiplication? Well, I certainly do, but that's because I get really good at it using bar models. So come on and learn with me, and you can get really good at it too. Let's go! Hello everyone! Welcome to multiplication models. We're going to be learning how to use bar models to solve multiplication questions. Don't worry, it'll make it a lot easier. The first step is we're going to look at the question and draw a model. We're going to draw out the number of each group that we need. Remember, multiplication is all about grouping. It's all about how many groups of something do you have. So we're going to draw out the number of groups we need so we can easily count them up. Then we're going to write out our number sentence, which in this case will of course be a multiplication sentence. And then we'll write a statement. We've got to make sure that we understand what the question is asking for. So we are going to use words to express what our answer means. All right, are you ready to join us? Great, let's go. All right, here we have our very first multiplication word problem. Tim ran 9 meters each day. What was the total distance he runs in 5 days? Okay, so here we've got the start of a model, and we're going to see how many groups we need to complete it. What do you think? How many meters are in each group? 9! That's right, 9 meters, because that's how much he runs every day. Okay, so let's write 9 in our group. Now, how many groups of 9 do we need to figure out how much he runs in 5 days? He runs 9 meters every day, and we have 5 days? So don't we need to add up the 9 for all 5 days? That's exactly right, Matthew. We're going to need 5 groups of 9. All right, let's draw that in. There's one group already there. 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 9. And we can write 9 in each box. Okay, now what is our multiplication sentence? Matthew, do you remember how to do a multiplication sentence? Well, a multiplication sentence would be like how many groups of the number you have. So we've got 9 and we've got 5 of them. So we've got 5 groups of 9, right? That's exactly correct. Okay, let's write that in a multiplication sentence. 9 times 5. Or, who can tell me what is the exact same as 9 times 5? 5 times 9. That's right. Multiplication is commutative, which means that you can flip these two numbers, the 9 and the 5 in this case, to a 5 and a 9, and you get the same answer. 5 groups of 9 is the same as 9 groups of 5. Okay, does anybody remember what 9 times 5 is? I'll give you a moment to think about it, or you can pause the video. Get ready to pause. Okay, 9 times 5? Oh, I know. It's 45. Good job, Matthew. That's right, 45. Now, what are we talking about? What is the total distance he runs in 5 days? 45 meters. That's right. So, Tim runs 45 meters. There we go, we did it. All right, seems pretty easy. Let's try another example. Matthew, do you want to take the lead on this one? Sure. Plus, I love practicing my multiplication tables. I'm getting faster and faster at them all the time. Good, I can tell. All right, let's go. All right, let's see if we can figure this out. Gulple's family drinks 8 liters of water every day. How many liters of water does his family drink in 6 days? 8 liters, does that sound like a lot? It's very important to drink lots of water every day, especially if you're a cat, a human. It's very important to stay hydrated in the winter, in the summer. Okay, let's get back to the question here. Okay, Gopal's family drinks 8 liters of water every day, and we want to know how many liters his family will drink in 6 days. Okay, this is very similar to the last question. Let's figure out how our model's going to go. So, we've got 6 days, and it's 8 liters each day. So what kind of groups do we need? We need groups of how many liters? We need groups of 8 liters. 8 liters. And how many days are we talking about? 6. So that means we're going to need 6 eights. 6 groups of 8, one for every day. So there's an 8. There's another 8. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and let's put in 8 liters into each one of those. All right, now what would our number sentence be? Well, we've got 8 here, lots of them. How many of them do we have? We've got 6 of them. So we've got 6 groups of 8. 6 times 8, which is the same as 8 times 6 if I wanted to do it that way. Okay, pause the video and figure out what 6 times 8 is, because I'm going to tell you in 3, 2, 1. 6 times 8 is 48. All right, now what are we talking about here? Centimeters? Elephants? Oranges? No, we're talking about liters of water. And we're talking about how many liters his family is going to drink over 6 days. So let's write out our statement. His family drinks 48 liters. Capital L for liters. All right, great job.